Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Litecoin from Exmo to Metamask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your Litecoin safely and efficiently. First off, why do this? Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, but with advancements in 2025, you can handle Litecoin through bridges or wrapped tokens. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have an Exmo account with Litecoin in it, a Metamask wallet set up, and some basic knowledge of crypto wallets. Also, double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any hacks. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account and go to the withdrawal section. Select Litecoin from your balance, and choose the network. In 2025, you might need to use a compatible bridge like the Litecoin network or a wrapped version on Ethereum. Step 2. Enter your Metamask wallet address. Remember, Metamask uses Ethereum addresses, so if you're sending Litecoin directly, ensure it's wrapped, like WLTC. Double-check the address to prevent losses, copy and paste carefully. Step 3. Confirm the withdrawal on Exmo. You'll see a transaction fee, make sure it's reasonable. Once approved, wait for the blockchain confirmation, which might take a few minutes. Step 4. In Metamask, switch to the appropriate network if needed, like the Ethereum mainnet. Your Litecoin should appear as a wrapped token. If it doesn't show up, add it manually by going to Import Tokens and entering the contract address. Now, a quick word of caution. Always verify network compatibility to avoid lost funds. In 2025, crypto tech has improved, but errors can still happen. Test with a small amount first. There you have it. You've successfully sent Litecoin from Exmo to Metamask. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.